I tend to see the best in people. I tend to trust the other people will deal fairly with me. I think people are mostly good. I am quick to forgive people who have hurt me. I tend to admire others. I tend to upload the success of other people. I tend to treat others as valuable. I enjoy listening to people from all walks of life. I prefer honesty over charm. I don't feel comfortable overtly manipulating people to do something I want. I would like to be authentic even if it may damage my reputation. When I talk to people, I am really thinking about what I want from them. The dark trade, narcissism, 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 Machiavellianism, 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 psychopathy, the dark trade. What is the dark trade? The dark trade describes a constellation of narcissism, psychopathy, and Machiavellianism. Individuals with those traits reflect tendencies to engage in harmful callous and manipulative behavior towards others. The most frequently exhibited dark trends behavior includes self centeredness, low empathy, exploitation of others, and lack of remorse and regret. Sign of dark trade personality: lack of empathy, excessive lying, immorality, manipulation tactics, extreme self centeredness, impulsive impulsivity, lack of concern for consequences, exploiting circumstances for advancement, promis, promiscuous, promiscuous and unfaithful behavior, promoting themselves or success, bullying other without remorse. Narcissism, grandiosity, grandiosity, sense of entitlement, need for admiration, lack of empathy, exploitative behavior, fantasies of power or success, dark trade skills. Machiavellianism, manipulativeness, strategic thinking, deceitfulness, exploitation of others, calculated decision making, desire for control and influence. Psychopathy, lack of empathy, superficial charm, impulsivity, irresponsibility, lack of remorse or guilt, shallow emotions. Narcissism versus Machiavellianism. Narcissism versus Machiavellianism. Narcissism, one, self-centeredness, two, grandiosity, 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 three, lack of empathy, four, sense of entitlement, five, exaggerated self importance, exaggerated exaggerated self importance, six, attention seeking behavior, seven, egocentricity, seven, egocentricity, eight, need of admiration, nine, inflated ego, 10, obsession, with success, obsession with success. Machiavellianism, one, manipulativeness, manipulativeness, two, cunningness, three, strategic thinking, four, pragmatism, five, focus on on achieving goals, six, willing to deceive and exploit, eight, lack of concern for morality, eight, willing to use others for personal gains, nine, ability to charm and influence others, 10, a desire for power and central and control, 10, a desire to power and control. Neuro instincts, neuro instincts, narcissistic personality disorder and psychopathy, similarities and differences. Deceitful, low conscience, minimal or no anxiety, focused on power and winning, indifferent to opinion of others, impulsive, aggressive, arrogant, superficial, charming, dominant, exploitative, low in empathy, antagonistics, manipulative, requires positive attention, needs an audience, fragiles, fragile, hypersensitive to the opinion of others, needs their specialness, special specialness ref, reflected back. PN. Five signs you work with a narcissist, narcissist, Machiavellian, or psychopath. The dark, the dark trait personality lack empathy and moral compass and work towards their own selfish interests. Narcissists need admirations. They consider themselves superior to others. Machiavellians are deceptive, destruct, destructing, and manipulating. Psychopaths enjoy hurting and bullying people to distract attention from their own selfish activities. Five sign of dark trade employees. Trade employees. Exaggerating or falsely taking credit for consideration to their organization. Five sign of dark employees: exaggerating or falsely taking credit for contributions to the organization, actively promoting themselves, being aggressive after negative feedback and criticizing the feedback source, treating valued members of the organization trophy colleagues better than those who don't boost their egos, shows a selfish perspective with a choose your battles mindset, trying to control or minimize other people's influence, not sharing knowledge. If you can avoid it, don't hire them. If you have them, don't promote them. Using manipulation to reach goals. Scheming for personal benefit. Scheming for personal benefit without consideration consequences. Competing, not cooperating. Making quick short-term decisions without considering consequences. Making bold, risky decisions without regard to rules or ethics. Questioning authority figures, rules, and other status quo. Status quo. Bullying or criticizing co-workers co-workers to distract focus away from task, luring crowd co-workers into wild behaviors, so seducing co-workers or supervisors into romantic relationships. The narcissist checklist: lack of empathy, need for admirations, feels superior to other, can't maintain relationship, manipulative. Female narcissistic traits: being self-centered or self-absorbed, to never admitting fault. 3. Pettiness and inability to see the bigger picture. 4. Obsession with social status. 5. Addicted to social media. 6. Exploitative of others, being overly vain. 8. Using sex appeal to others to coerce others. Coerce others. 9. Seeming insecure, shy, and reserved. 10. Sensitive and reactive. 11. Dependency or neediness. 12. Playing the victim card. 13. Passive aggressive and manipulative. 14. Bullying or being a mean girl. 15. Instability in work, life, or relationship. Narcissist checklist: 1. Two-faced, critical of others behind their back, blames other for failures. 2. Blames other for failure. 3. Acts differently in public and private. 4. Unreliable. 5. Superior attitude. 6. Live in fantasy world of porn and affairs and dream of fame. 7. Distorts facts to shoot on agenda. 8. Irresponsible with money. 9. Only emotionally available when wants something. 10. Lack of empathy for others. 11. Controlling. 12. Provokes peoples, then blames them for fighting. 13. Cannot admit mistakes. Roberts Harris psychopathic checklist: glibness, superficial charm, grandiose sense of self-worth, need for stimulation, proneness to boredom, pathological laying, canning, manipulative, lack of remorse or guilt, shallow effect, callous, lack of empathy, plastics, lifestyle, poor behavioral controls, promiscuous sexual behavior, promiscuous sexual behavior, early behavioral problems, 13 lack of realistic long term goals, 14 impulsivity, 15 irresponsibility, 16 failure to accept responsibility for own actions, 17 many short term marital relationships, 18 juvenile delinquencies, 19 revocation of conditional resources, 20 criminal versatility. How to deal with someone with exhibiting dark traits. Build a healthy support network. Be skeptical of what they say. Be skeptical of what they say. Don't let them provoke you. Set boundaries. Support others who are victimized. Don't share your inner feeling with them. Don't trust them with anything. Tips on how to not be narcissists. Accept that others are not perfect. Remind yourself of your worth. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. Allow yourself to feel your emotions. Identify your triggers for range. Practice self love and compassion. Start journaling. Start journaling. Practice stress management. Try meditation to remain calm. Take things one day at a time. One day at a time. Explore a new hobby. How to deal with a narcissistic woman. Learn her patterns. Check your expectations. Limit your interactions. Keep things superficial. Don't fall for her act. Don't feed into her need for validation. Don't threaten her self esteem. Refuse to compete with her. Try to find win win solutions. Keep your cool. How to deal with narcissist. Avoid confrontation. Set boundaries. Educate yourself. Don't take what they say personally. Seek out support. Avoid reinforcing narcissistic behavior. Practice self care. Key phrases to disarm a narcissist. I am not going to argue anymore. I am capable of doing what I want regardless of what you think. I am capable of doing what I want regardless of what you think. I understand. We can agree to disagree. I see where you are coming from. I see where you are coming from. I want to share how I feel. Your perspective is interesting. Can we aim to be respectful in our conversation? Can we aim to be respectful in our conversation? Lifestyle, Machiavellianism, narcissism, psychopathy, normal activities, deviant activities, attractiveness, attractiveness, online crime, information compromise, catching virus, losing money, software compromise. This can be with other crime also.